yesterday we had a deal funded, a renewal, auto repair center in Michigan took the money, came back to us. Dude, like that's the thing, these merchants, you're gonna have residual income coming off these merchants that keep coming back to you. Also another deal was funded in New York, baby. Sean's deal funded. Got the funding call done at 8:30 p.m. last night. We had 2 applications and we made 1,400 phone calls. Something to keep in mind, if you're hitting the phones and you're like, I'm making the phone calls, I'm not seeing anything. Also pay attention to your talk time, how much time you're talking to these merchants. Because if you're not having the good conversations, you're not going to get the bank statement, you're not going to get the docs. Oh yeah. This, recently we were called a multi-level, like an MLM scheme, a multi-level marketing scheme. I looked at the definition. That's not what this is. We're not asking you guys to pay to be a part of this and recruit other people to be a part of this. I don't know if it's legal or not, but I just wouldn't feel good about doing that. This is an opportunity. I think Sean would feel good about doing that either. We sell cash. That's what we do.
Point blank and simple, man. Happy Friday. We have a lot going on today. Let's fund some more deals,
Hey, my name is Davron Karimov. I'm a 22-year-old merchant cash advance broker. Moved down here to Miami to help America in this time of need during the pandemic, getting capital to business owners. We're here, we're doing it. This is Funderhunt.
$27.50.
Oh, don't?
All right.
Hello, Aaron? How's it going? Alex here at Funderhunt. How you been? Alex, calling you regarding the Funderhunt? From Funderhunt. Basically,
We ought to have an admin start setting up these PSFs.
We only want the best working for us. Come on down to Funderhunt and apply. All the doors are always open. I think it's funderhunt.co. Send an email over. Send your resume. Let's make it happen, man. But just know what you're doing. Professional admins that know to handle professional documents and run errands. No matter what we say, run your errand. All right, I'm sending the other one right now. But I'm gonna let them know that you signed. I'll call you when I send it. You got it. There we go. So this guy is really, basically he's like managing different other companies, and he's owners, but he has other people involved, and basically he just tells them, yes, we need to take this deal, and that's what's been happening for the past 2-3 deals that they take. They have money in their account, they have different entities, so we keep funding. That's the type of merchants I love personally, because they're gonna come back every time and they actually have a need for it, and their industry is like growing. If they weren't going to their peak season, they wouldn't be taking rapidly funding like that. So the day before, today, and then yesterday and today, we're gonna fund, so like 4 or 3 times in a row this week on just one merchant.
Yo, for real, that's the last time I'm going to be sending out a PSF. Today is the last time I'm sending out a PSF. From now on, somebody else has to send out those PSFs. I'm not doing it anymore.
Dave's pissed. He don't like that shit. He don't like that shit. The only time y'all should be telling me is to call somebody to tell them, hey, there's a PSF that's not signed. If you follow up and they told you something else, I will call as a sales manager to review with the merchant to let them know that they need to pay us out on a professional service fee, because it's not right for us to work for free. It's America. No one does that.
If you accept,
These are some big checks I got in my hand. But, whoever gets a check here deserves it. So, and, Sean.
Okay.
You see, only money makes me smile like this. Money and big deals.
I wish I could get checks like this, man. Like, I wish I could get paid like what the fuck I'm looking at right now. I wish I could get that shit.
It's large. Let's see.
And also Alex got some deals. So.
Halik. He's like, yeah, he don't give a fuck. Man. Griffin motherfucker. Oh, man, Alex. He's always like that. I never seen this guy get happy. You know, he really smiles.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Still working on this other guy, 20K. It's funded. But there's something that's important in New York that's called a COJ. He has to get that notarized. Apparently, he's like 10th in line on a phone call to verify the documents to get it notarized. I don't know what the cutoff time is. I know it's a Jewish holiday. I hope and I keep my fingers crossed that this one gets pushed through. They did it for me yesterday at 8:30. Come on, chosen ones, help me out. I need it.
Dude, it's so funny when you communicate with funders all the time, and then you never see them, and then you see them, and then you're like, that face does not match the voice at all. You know, it's fucking crazy. Like the other day, I had someone come to the office. A funder came to the office. Not what I was expecting at all, but still, they're all cool. You know what I mean? Most of them are cool.
So he's on it. No one really likes the COJs, but you know, it's New York, so you know, more likely we have a little time. You know, it's my favorite people. You know, chosen people. Hopefully they give me a little. You know, they're chosen for a reason. Actually, they were the ones I got the funding call done at 8:30 last night. Chosen people. Yeah. Happy Monday. Just here, you know, hitting the new lead stream. Fire leads. Fire. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I'm about to follow up on some apps. I see that I got like 60 missed calls. That's always a great thing for me. A lot of people to text, a lot of people to call back, a lot of people to email. You know, I like to do a lot of things for, you know, new people aboard coming in. And I think I want to make, you know, Alex my challenge today. Every app that he gets in, $15. Every qualifying app that he gets in, $15. What that means is 3 months business bank statements or application, it gets submitted and it gets an offer. I go in my pocket, I give him $15 for each submission that he gives.
Yeah. So I mean, I was already saying that you have.
Yeah. So yes, Richard. So here we go. I don't know if they've ever told you this, but Biddy, you should have taken more with them when they was gonna renew you, because my investors are seeing that you last took 3K, so they're deciding to go with 3K. Can you put 3K to use? I can have this funded in your account today. Hello? You okay? Are you okay?
Okay, all right.
Okay,
I think I
I'm
might
worried
be able to
about it.
make this work. Let me
Just relax. Just relax. All right. It's good. It's good. It's good to be busy. I like that you're busy. Good man. All right. So, what I'm doing here right now is I'm basically downloaded the his driver's license and voided check, and what I'm gonna do is put it in a portfolio, and I'm gonna send it over to my underwriters and let them know that you're serious and you want to move forward with this deal that we have for you. This is just the starters with us, and we really want to see you grow. So if you can utilize this 3K, can you put the 3K again to use to better the business?
Yeah, just be able to have them contact your name's Alex.
All right, perfect.
Funderhunt.
Yeah, I'm sending that right now to the underwriter right now. All right, so thank you so much for your time. Just sit tight for me. I'll give you a call shortly, okay? Thank you, Richard. Congratulations. You got it. Bye. 3K sold. Okay, so that's just a cakewalk. Now I'm gonna, I think, reply back to my lender with the driver's license for the check, and we're gonna request contracts and get this one cleaned up. You know, put one in my belt, get my feet wet for this week, and then stay in tune. First day of my week. I'm pretty stoked. I'm pretty happy. I put in a lot of work. Big fucking PSF. That's all you need to know, motherfuckers. I did whatever I wanted on that PSF. 20K, and I took whatever I wanted out of it. I mean, for me in Funderhunt, at least. So, let's go. Just to give you guys an insight, I'm on the phone with him. He's on hold. When he signed the contract, he was on the highway, interstate. I told him to pull over. He pulled over and signed the contract. I love it when merchants do that. It shows that they're serious and they want to grow their business. You know, he could have. There's so much thing that can happen on the highway, but he pulled over and signed the contracts with me over the phone. So tell me what I'm doing wrong here. I'm just providing this type of service and continuing the path and you know, funding America.
So that was. You just wanted a deal. Team Sean, another deal in the books for Team Sean.
Got in this morning. See? All my future juniors, it is that simple. We have a qualifying lead sheet that you guys can use to guide you with the pitch. Something that me and Dave use to bring our deals in on a daily basis that gets funded. So if you stand by the script, you will bring in qualifying leads that can give you opportunity that can fund. I literally got this guy in, or as right as I got in, I hit the phones. And he was the first contact I had. The first person, as I got on the phone, he's the first person. I got him, got his docs. He had one position, was submitted to a few of my guys, got back one offer. And the guy did not, tug and war with me. And he also did a 10% PSF. So all in all, it's very productive there already, and we still have more time. It's still not over. Like it's 4:25.
And that was really cool because that was Sean's first deal that he funded himself.
Yeah, that is true. Oh shit. Oh, now that I'm like, I've got my shit together like he wanted me to too. Got the closet cleared up. We about to stay in tune. We're about to have a podcast, man. That's just gonna be dope. We're looking for a lot of high performing people that we can both guide each other in the same direction to success, if you know what I mean. And we go from there. I'm pretty excited about that.
Yeah, dude. The first merch.
Okay, so I often run into this every fucking single day, and it's really annoying. And I'm gonna say it right now, one time on camera, for the one time. Hey, we do fund same day. This is not a scam. It is not illegal. We fund business owners and we purchase their future receivables. That's it. That's all I have to say. We do not scam or take business from other business owners. We're trying to fund so you guys can come back with us. That's how our business grow. Imagine if we gave you a deal one time bad. You're not going to think about the second time to come back with us. Correct? Right? So, just let's keep everything in order, man. Everything's clean and slate here, and we do fund 24 to 48 hours. We stand by that.
So, I figured there might be a chance, or even if we did bring the whole team to Vegas this weekend, even if that happened, I this weekend I had this genius idea, dude. So I was like, all right. So the initial idea was that I was gonna do a 24-hour stream from Vegas, but I was like, dude, that's so complicated. That might be impossible. How am I gonna have enough battery life for that? But anyways, bought a fucking GoPro, boys. Let's go, boys. I can fucking stream all day with this shit, bro. Now, there is still a couple of issues that I have to figure out. Which I don't think it's possible, because dude, I think the battery life on this thing is 2 hours. Which I also have my phone, but I didn't want to use my phone because it's like I gotta still make calls and find out the plans and stuff like that. So I didn't want to use my phone, so I got this thing, right? And but the thing is, this is only like I got extra batteries too. I bought 2 extra batteries, you know, when this one dies. So there's still a couple of things that we need to test out. One, I need a real stick. The guy gave me this, which is not. It's like fucking. Wait. Yeah, but basically, like, I don't know. Well, I guess it's working now, but like before it would just fall over. So yeah, so I need a real stick, and I need like a mobile hotspot, right? That I can carry with me that will always provide me Wi-Fi. And I need to test it out. I need to test this out because like what would happen if I just did a stream right now and I took out the battery? I don't even know. So we gotta test that out. But yeah, boys, you know, I mean, I'll go for it as long as, you know, it'll let me.